I'm going to expand and simplify this notation right here. This is called sigma notation. It's basically telling you to add up a bunch of numbers together. The number on the bottom tells you which term to start with. So in this case, because it says k equals 1, it's telling you to start with term number 1. The number on the top is the last term. So we're plugging in term 1 through term 7. And then this is the rule for our series. This is the equation we use to figure out each term. So if I want the first term, a1, or a sub 1, I'm plugging in k equals 1. I'm starting with 1 because that's what I have down here. That's telling me to start by plugging in the number 1. So I'm plugging it into the equation that I'm given, 5 minus k is 1 squared. So that's 5 minus 1, which is 4. So the first term would be 4. Next, I would do the second term, same thing, 5 minus 2 squared. 2 squared is 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. You do this all the way up to a subscript 7 because of this number up top. So if you want, I would pause the video so that you can find all 7 of your terms. So plugging in 1 through 7 gives us this. The sigma notation is telling us to add up every number that we find. So here was our first term, our second term, third, fourth, fifth, and so on. So we have 7 terms here, term 1 through term 7. And all you have to do is add those terms together. The sigma notation is a sum notation. So if you simplify everything in the parentheses, like I did earlier, we did 5 minus 1 for our first term, we did 5 minus 4 for our second term, and then hopefully you got the rest of these. Those are the numbers you should have had, and this adds up to negative 105. So the answer would be negative 105.